Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's new. This time we talk about BTS Jungkook VR make top 10 comeback in K-pop brand ranking with the military discharge around the corner. BTS Jungkook V and RM make a top 10 return in March K-pop brand ranking as fans anticipate their military discharge. G-Dragon, Cha Eun-woo and the Jin led this month and the star-studding list. Korean brand Reputation has released its monthly K-pop idol brand value ranking from March. Big Bang G-Dragon took to the top spot this month with a triple threat of the new project lined up, including the third studio album and a world tour. Fanner continued down to the day right behind him. At the number 2 is the Korean pop idol turned actor Cha In-woo, who's preparing for his big comeback with the show Wonderful. Coming in at number 3 is BTS Jin. After a year of teasing his acting skill on BTS variety show, he finally made his acting debut and fans are loving every second of it. Not only Jin, but with BTS gearing up for their full comeback later this year, all the members are starting to show up on the chart again. The monthly rankings are put together by Korea Brand Reputation Index after analyzing data from the 757 male K-pop ideal, comparing the everything from the consumer participation and media buzz to communication and community activity. K-pop ideal brand ranking March, according to the date G-Dragon poll in the 7 Lake 93,971 brand point. No surprise there. Right behind him in second in Cha Eun-woo, who scored the 57 lakh 91,144 point, and the BTS Jin round over to the top 3 with the 3 and the 33 lakh 91,342 point. BTS member Jimin Jungkook and we take the 4th, 5th and 6th place. Even though they are still performing, their ability to survive. J-Hope set into the top 10 right after Hwang Min-hyun and Rizzy Bombin and the Kang Daniel. Hobby's latest track Saved Dream and Defeat Meagle earlier debuted at the number 42 on the official single chart. And over in the top 20 we have got RM and Suga holding strong, and the high lap top 30 includes some familiar names like the Super Junior, Kyohyun and the Chinese Jimin and the Minho, and the BTS Ria and the reunion. Hyunjin and J-Hope have already wrapped up their maternity survive to the other BTS members expected to return in 2025. In a Weaver's interview published on the December 24, J-Hope opened up about the group long-awaited reunion. When we are back together as a group, it's going to have a huge impact and everybody is going to be watching, he said. The K-pop rapper also shared excitement about performing with the member again, adding, I want to come back in style and say this is us with the and this is BTS. When asked about his bond with the group, he noted, even now I am here because of the group. Working with others is still so fun and fulfilling and make me so happy. And report have limited that BTS might return with a full album and a world tour in 2025 to mark the 10th anniversary of the most beautiful moment in the live series. However, while BTS has not confirmed anything yet, their agency previously stated that a reunion might happen in 2026. We are currently in discussion with the member about activity in 2026, and while a fulfilling group comeback would generate considerable revenue, we expect it all and will not account for as a high share of our earning as in past, as our other artists as a new venture are also contributing to growth. And the CEO of Lee Kyung Joon. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.